In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PDF text box formatting glitch in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by updating Microsoft Edge. Start by opening the Edge browser on your computer. You will see the familiar interface, and this is where we begin our process. Next, in the address bar, type in edge://settings/help. This will take you directly to the Updates section of Edge. Once there, allow Edge to check for any available updates. This is crucial because updates often contain fixes for bugs, including the PDF formatting issues you are experiencing. If updates are found, follow the prompts to install them. After the installation is complete, Edge will likely prompt you to restart the browser. Make sure you do this step as it ensures that all changes take effect. Now let's move on to disabling hardware acceleration. This step is essential because PDF rendering issues are frequently linked to graphics acceleration. To begin, enter edge://settings/system in the address bar. This will lead you to the system settings of Edge. Look for the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. You will want to turn this off. Disabling hardware acceleration can resolve conflicts that arise during PDF rendering, so it's a helpful step to take. After toggling this setting, you will see a prompt to restart Edge. Click on Restart to apply the changes you just made. By following these steps, you are addressing potential causes of the text box formatting glitch in PDF files. Updating Edge ensures you have the latest tools and fixes, while disabling hardware acceleration removes a common source of issues. Making these adjustments will likely improve your experience when working with PDFs in Edge. This is important because a smoother PDF experience can save you time and frustration in the future. Once you have completed these steps, take a moment to test your PDF files again. Open a PDF document that previously had formatting issues and check to see if the problems have been resolved. You should notice an improvement in how the text boxes appear and behave. If everything looks good, you can continue using Edge without any worries. In case you still experience issues after following these steps, don't panic. Sometimes PDF documents may have formatting that is not compatible with Edge due to how they were created. If this happens, consider trying to open the PDF in another viewer to see if the issue persists. This can help you determine if the problem is with the document itself or with Edge. Always remember to keep your browser updated regularly. This will help prevent future problems and ensure you have the best experience possible. It's a simple yet effective habit to adopt. Thank you for following along, and I hope these steps help you resolve your PDF text box formatting glitch in Microsoft Edge.